Good morning, everyone. My name is Y2024 and my project is about chromatography. I choose this project because I want I want to know the different color behind one color. What is chromatography? Chromatography is a way to separate colors from a mixture. Who use chromatography? Scientists use it to find out what makes up ink, marker, and other things. Chemists work in chemical analysis. Biochemists use chromatography in biological research. Analytical scientists in laboratory or industrial research. Forensic scientists, if they use it in crime labs. Environmental scientists, if analyzing pollutants. Pharmacologists in drug testing or quality control. Why is chromatography important? It helps scientists find out what makes up different things. Where is it used? It is used in science, food testing, and even solving crimes. Chromatography is used in food testing. In food testing, chromatography helps us know if food is safe to eat or if there are chemicals that shouldn't be there. In solving crimes, chromatography helps detect clues in crime scene, like if there are ink on note or blood. Types of chromatography. 1. The paper chromatography. 2. The liquid chromatography. 3. The gas chromatography. The paper chromatography, using paper to separate colors. The liquid chromatography, using liquid to separate chemicals. The gas chromatography, using gas chromatography, separate gases. Gas chromatography uses special machines to separate chemicals from gas. I did a paper chromatography experiment at home with just marker and paper chromatography. The material needed for the experiment. Now let's do it step by step. Paper into stripe. Take the paper to the pencil or stick. Place the pencil over the cup so the paper hangs down and touches the water. Watch the water move up and separates the colors. These are my finished product. So let's see the color behind. The color blue. The color behind the color blue is purple, dark blue, and light blue. Behind the color pink is orange and dark pink. Behind the color green is dark green and light blue. Behind the color red is pink, orange, and red. Why do the colors separate? The colors separate in chromatography because different color or chemical move at different speeds. Each chemical or color have different speeds. Some of the speeds are fast, speeds, and some are slow. Water moves the color. When the paper is dipped in water, the water moves the paper up, carrying the chemicals with it. The faster chemicals travel further up, while the slower stay behind. Colors spread apart because the different colors and chemicals move at different speed. They spread differently. Fun fact. First, scientists use it to find out what make up different foods. Second, it can help catch criminals by analyzing ink from nose. Last, butterflies use natural chromatography to get their wing colors. In this project, I learned that in one color it could be made of many colors, and I learned how to do paper chromatography with just marker and paper. If you want to do it too, you could use chromatography paper, coffee filter paper, and salt water or alcohol. Thank you for listening.
Hello, Proud. So you mentioned earlier that you use water in your paper chromatography, right? What if we didn't use water but oil? Will it be a different? Will it give us a different result, or will it work or not?
It will not work because oil is non-polar.
What is non-polar?
Non-polar is something like oil or fats. Like oil is thick and heavy, so it cannot carry the color properly.
Okay, thank you.
And actually, the water is water marker. So it's dissolved in water. If you use oil, it's not dissolved in oil.
Other than marker, can we use different materials like paper pencil, color pencil, food coloring, or even leaves and flowers?
Yes, we can actually use candy too.
Candy. But I think we cannot use with pencil color because of the color is solid. It's not dissolved in water. Lily, have you ever tried with pencil color and it dissolved? No, sorry, I don't know. It's dissolved in water. Oh, pencil color dissolved in water as well. Okay. Who else? What else?
Okay, question. Proud. So which type of chromatography do you think is the most useful and why?
I think paper chromatography is the most useful because it could help us solving crime and in food testing, and we could solve like if there are chemical in water or not.
Okay, thank you.
I say something. I went to science fair and we see the forensic department. They say that they can check that you abuse the drug by 2 years because it's stuck in your hair. So they just smash your hair and then dissolve in solvent. It's not water, it's something else. And then they just drop and see it. Using with chromatography. Thank you very much.